Guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And today I'm going to start draining the differential oil on this car. I don't know when it's been changed, but we're going to do this maintenance, very important. So we're going to drain it. I have a brand new oil, Mag 1, made in USA. So we're going to put that in. And in the meantime, while I do the rest of the things, the fluid is just going to be draining. So I want to drain as much of it out as possible. This is the oil that I'll be using, 7590. So I'm super excited to put that in. Fresh, high quality oil. I'm gonna clean this fill plug, drain plug. Okay, now removing the fill plug. First thing you want to do is the fill plug. Just loosening it. Now we're gonna do the drain plug. Yeah, not the cleanest. Needed to be changed. To remove this wiper so I can lubricate the shaft and just get off, remove all this sand. There's a bolt right here that goes through. It's like a pinch bolt. In all the positions there's command, so the wires are good, relay, everything, switch is good. Something's with the wiper. Check it out. I'm gonna test the washer system. I'm gonna push this. This turns on, I release it. It's gonna go out in a little bit. Yeah, so we have commands going to this connector, so everything electrically is good. Okay guys, I just cleaned this drain plug. This thing is all good. It's all drained out. Let it drain for like 2 hours. Go and install this back. disconnected the linkage completely from the motor, or from that. The motor is now separately and the linkage is all moving fine. So now when I try to grab this, it's not moving, it's stuck, it's seized. So this thing is completely seized, this slider. I'm gonna be freeing this thing up. I'm gonna put WD-40, but this is what caused all the problems.